So let's talk about generating a Michelangelo page using solely a gene name. So hopefully we know the name of our gene. Let's say doc180. And now we have various pieces of information presented. The first is one that shows various features in the protein. And this is a doc protein. So we've got two homology regions and a part that's unique to the this subgroup of the doc family. And over here in green, we have crystal structures, and below it over here, we have Swiss model structures. These are threaded models based on crystal structures. That is, someone solved the crystal structure of a close homolog, and SwissProt generated models for this. So let's load the crystal structure. So now we've got our nice crystal structure, and we see that there's 2 bits, and we've got a warning up here. Namely, when you crystallize proteins, you often don't crystallize the whole protein, but you crystallize only one domain, especially in human proteins. As a result, it's often beneficial to just express that small domain, and as a result, when the crystal structure is deposited, the numbering does not correspond to the uniprot, but to the clone that people made. This renumbering fixes it. And as we don't care about the original structure numbering, we will use these ones. Now, there's 2 chains over here because this is the asymmetric unit of the crystal. Namely, it packed that way. But these 2, only one of these is the domain we're interested in. So let's delete one of them. To do that, we'll press remove parts. Let's see what it's called. Chain B. Let's delete chain B. Goodbye. And now we've only got chain A. Now, we can make a mutation straight away. Let's do that. Let's mutate something quite central. Let's mutate this 185. To a proline on chain A. And now the model will load again, but this time we will have a mutation. Let's see what's happened. Aha! We've mutated, and there's some backbone strain, as expected, because a proline is quite a horrible residue. And now we can happily make the page. There's 1 or 2 extra things I would like to point out. The Swiss model proteins are generally quite good. However, there are a few things that you should keep an eye out, such as cysteine bonds or parts that have just gone not quite right. So treat them with a pinch of salt. But hopefully everything will be perfect for you and you can make your proteins quite happily. Thank you.